Your body is doing about 37 trillion things right now without asking you once. That number, 37 trillion, is the number of cells inside you. Each one is a tiny living unit doing its own chemical work every single second of every day. And here's the scale of that. Your body is making around 25 million brand new cells every second. Not per hour, per second. Your body is basically running a non-stop construction project all day, all night, forever. Think of your body like a city that never sleeps. Power stations generate energy. Roads deliver supplies. Construction crews fix damage. And a massive communication network keeps everything talking to each other, all without you making a single decision about it. Those roads, that's your blood vessels. And if you stretched every blood vessel in your body into one long line, it would run for 60,000 miles. That's more than twice around the entire Earth, all packed inside you. Your heart pumps blood through every inch of that network about 100,000 times a day. Every day, your lungs are just as wild. If you unfolded them completely flat, they'd cover about 70 square meters, roughly the size of a tennis court, all folded up inside your chest. Your brain runs this whole city on about 12 watts of power. That's less than a dim light bulb, and it only makes up about 2% of your body weight, yet it burns 20% of all your energy. Tiny engine, enormous appetite, and you're not alone in there. Your gut holds between 30 and 40 trillion bacteria, tiny organisms that help you digest food, support your immune system, and may even affect your mood. Here's the part that really sticks. Most people think their body is a fixed, finished thing. It isn't. Almost every tissue is constantly breaking down and rebuilding. The skeleton you have right now will be almost entirely replaced over the next 10 years. You are not a thing. You are a process, always moving, always rebuilding, never quite the same twice. You're less like a statue and more like a river, always the same shape, never the same water.